Hey everybody, how's it going? I made this video here to show you how I would typically repair any piece of furniture really that would need to be re-glued. This one was sort of re-glued by someone else who pretty much put an entire bottle on the whole thing, but it didn't really glue up, so I pretty much have to just tear it all apart. As you can see, it just falls right apart, and then scrape and sand glue off for about an hour. It was probably the most glue I'd ever seen on any piece of furniture. So after this, we'll go on to the next step of actually gluing it. Here I have my table all set up to glue. I always like to put down a little piece of cardboard or plastic or something to catch all the glue because it usually gets everywhere. And I use just a small little paintbrush to brush it on and get it in all the joints. And then I like to use these straps here for anything like a chair or table or anything like circular to glue. Makes it pretty easy. A lot easier than using any, just regular bar clamps or anything. And then, once I get this glued, then I just put the screws back in, and then I'll show you how I square up the legs. Now here I'm squaring up the legs just by putting it down on the floor, and then I add some weight to it so when I adjust the legs they'll stay, and then I pretty much just measure diagonally, and if you get the same measurement they're square, and then just eyeball it and make sure they're not all out of whack, and then just pretty much go around and make sure all the measurements are the same, and then put a little bit more weight and let it dry, and that's it.